Unveiling the secrets of affiliate marketing, how to earn while you share. Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals to earn money online. But what exactly is it, and how can you get started? In this video, we'll delve into the world of affiliate marketing, exploring its core concepts, benefits, and strategies for success. Understanding the affiliate marketing model at its heart. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy. Here's how it works: merchants, businesses or individuals who offer products or services. Affiliates, content creators, bloggers, social media influencers, or website owners who promote the merchant's products. Consumers, individuals who purchase products or services through the affiliate's unique link. When a consumer clicks on the affiliate's link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission from the merchant. This commission can be a percentage of the sale amount, a flat fee, or even a reward for specific actions like signing up for a free trial. Benefits of affiliate marketing. There are several advantages to consider for both merchants and affiliates. Merchants reach new audiences, increase brand awareness, and drive sales without the need for extensive in-house marketing efforts. Affiliates earn passive income by promoting products they genuinely use or believe in, build an audience, and establish themselves as subject matter experts. Getting started with affiliate marketing. If you're interested in becoming an affiliate marketer, here are some key steps to take. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will help you attract a targeted audience and build trust. Find relevant affiliate programs. Join affiliate programs offered by merchants in your chosen niche. Look for programs with competitive commission rates, reputable brands, and good customer support. Promote the products. Use various marketing channels to promote the affiliate products. This could include blog posts, social media content, video reviews, or email marketing. Disclose affiliate relationships. Be transparent with your audience and disclose any affiliate relationships you have. This builds trust and ensures ethical marketing practices. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, consistent effort, and valuable content that resonates with your audience. By providing genuine recommendations and building strong relationships with your followers, you can establish yourself as a trusted source and reap the rewards of affiliate marketing.
This video advertisement was created by using HumanPal. The link is given below.